We create the best green space in your house. We convert your house balcony into a live garden. We convert your garden into an organic food production center. Maintenance and sustenance of the greenery of your house are well maintained through a dedicated urban farmer green officer. We are urban farmers. In your busy urban life, knowingly or unknowingly, you degrade and damage the environment in many ways. But we have a solution. UrbanFarmer is a technology-based platform to provide you with the world-class experience of gardening services and the best quality products at your doorstep. Here, you can find a wide range of designer planters in all materials like ceramic, molded eco-friendly metal, accessories and gardening tools. Also available are the certified seeds of vegetable, fruits, flowers, natural herbs and organic manure. You can pick and choose the best suited gardening plan for your balcony space and matching your requirements. We train and certify these gardeners before they reach you. They are updated with all necessary formations and innovative technology being used in farming and gardening. Once you are on board, our Urban Farmer Green Officer gets in touch with you to plan out the roadmap for your garden setup. Apart from buying gardening products, you will experience the services of our trained and certified gardening experts. Our garden officer will guide you to the best gardening format to ensure the maximum in-house production of organic vegetables and fruits. We make you and your family net zero. And make you feel proud for protecting the environment. To know more, log on to theurbanfarmer.in or reach us at 1800 18 23456.